Hey guys, welcome to another pack opening video. Today I'm just doing some shopping and Coles had the goods. They were the only place in the Carindale shopping centre that had Chilling Reign booster packs at all, and they happen to be the cardboard single blisters, the ones that I really like. I think there's like 12 maybe, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, yeah, 12 packs. Fingers crossed we get like one full art out of this. Really hoping we're getting some pulls today. Went to some Evolving Skies pre-release events recently, and this is probably my favorite set now, the Evolving Skies. Can't wait for it to officially release, which is September. If you guys haven't pre-ordered any product for it, definitely pre-order some so you don't miss out. It's going to be like Vivid Voltage in November and December all over again. It's going to hit the shelves and be sold out by the end of the day, so pre-order now so you don't get upset when there's nothing left at your stores. Oh, look at that, the codes are on the back so I don't have to see what colour they are. 1, 2, 3, 4. Let's check some of these. Sweet, let's flick through. I've already completed the standard set of Chilling Reign with all the reverse hollows. So at this stage we're just looking for those full arts. Full arts at the end. I think what I'm going to try and do now is do my best to open the packet without splitting everything. Oh, no, that didn't work. Oh well. It's another one. I think this must have been a green code. Yeah. It's Aron and Seviper. Let's try a Moltres pack. Luck isn't that great so far. See if I can open this without destroying the packet. No, I just can't do it. Can't do it with Chilling Reign. Evolving Skies is really easy to open the packets without destroying them. No, whatever this card is, it's quite well scented. It's Galarian Slowpoke and a Dugtrio. Maybe a Calyrex. Calyrex, give us a pull. Come on, man. It's 3 packs in. I've been given absolute nothing at the moment. Go Calyrex. 1, 2, 3, 4. Cubfu and Sawsbuck. No hits, not even a holo. Not even a holo so far, guys. Not even a holo so far. This pack seems pretty heavy for some reason. Now, whatever this card is, it's got a dent on the corner. So let's hope it wasn't anything like crazy. Oh, we got the Lycanroc single strike holo. And a Galarian Slowking reverse holo. So we finally got a hit. Might put that up here. Where is he? Lycanroc. Check out our pulls at the end. We're hanging out for something. Should be able to get some more pulls soon. Yeah, so again, if you haven't pre-ordered anything for Evolving Skies, get on to that as soon as possible. It's such a great set, you don't want to miss out. A Rugged Helmet and a Scolipede. One of our last Moltres packs. The pull rates for the alternate arts is about 1 in 600 packets for a specific one that you want. think there's something. No. Slurpuff, Spiral Energy. Wow, just getting all the duds today. What's going on? What's going on? Why is it so bad? That's because your parents are poor. Oh, okay. Got a Serena and another Kubfu. What number is that? 93. Well, last 4 packs and we've only got 1 holo. This is extremely depressing to see how many green codes are in here. Got a Zarude holo and a Dynatree Hill. Look, even just like a V or a V Max would make it like not completely depressing as it is now. Still a bit sad to see only 2 hits here. Got a reverse Zeb Striker and a Gengar. Gengar's nice. I'm kind of okay with that. Gengar's a nice Pokemon. And we've got a reverse rare Zeb Striker. Cool. Well, last 2 packs. Don't know if we're going to pull anything good anymore, but we had a bit of fun. Rip some packets open. I just wanted to open something today. Haven't opened anything for a week, so just wanted to get into some packs. You know that feeling. Pack opening. Let's do the pack trick for the last couple of ones. We've got Darkness, Lairon, Hattrem, Path to the Peak, Grookey, Clobberpuss, Heracross, Mareep, Larvesta, Reverse Holo Ghastly, something behind it, Sparkly, and Rainbow. Could be a VMAX, could be a textured card. What do you guys reckon? It's a hit. Is it a VMAX or is it a full art, an alternate art, or a hyper rare? Ice Rider Calyrex VMAX. That's nice. Very off center. The back's pretty good. The front is very off center. That's nice. We got our first hit of the day. The VMAX makes up for it because it's textured. It's kind of full art in my books. It's very nice to see. Ice Rider Calyrex VMAX. Nice. And then the last packet. Shadow Rider Calyrex packet. We got the Ice Rider from a Zapdos pack, I think. Almost opened this one up very clean. And we've got the code 1, 2, that is terribly off center. 3, 4, and then to the front. What's it going to be? Energy, Crushing Gloves, Rugged Helmet, Steenie, Diglett, Furfrou, Bounsweet, Sobble, Hatena, Lucky Energy. The last card, what do you think it's going to be? A hit? Maybe a holo? A V? Slurpuff, regular rare. Oh. Alrighty. Just going to go quickly through the pulls. Got Lugia here to make us feel a bit better about how terribly we did. We got ourselves the Ice Rider Calyrex VMAX. It's a nice card, good for playing in the game. And here we have Lycanroc holo, Zarude holo, and a Gengar holo. Gengar looks really cool there, walking up the stairs. There's the Zarude swinging from the vines in the snow, and Lycanroc, some sort of avalanche behind him. Very cool cards. And of course we got the VMAX, but this is doesn't really have much of a background. Anyway guys, thanks for watching. If you like me at pack openings, stay tuned for the next video. Probably be some Evolving Skies. Get excited, guys. See you then.